The marker interface pattern is a design pattern in computer science, used with languages that provide runtime type information about objects. It provides a means to associate metadata with a class where the language does not have explicit support for such metadata. To use this pattern, a class implements a marker interface, and methods that interact with instances of that class test for the existence of the interface. Whereas a typical interface specifies functionality that an implementing class must support, a marker interface need not do so. The mere presence of such an interface indicates specific behavior on the part of the implementing class. Hybrid interfaces, which both act as markers and specify required methods, are possible but may prove confusing if improperly used. An example of the application of marker interfaces from the Java programming language is the serializable interface. A class implements this interface to indicate that its non-transient data members can be written to an object output stream. The object output stream private method writeObject contains a series of instance of tests to determine writability, one of which looks for the serializable interface. If any of these tests fails, the method throws a not serializable exception. Critique: a major problem with marker interfaces is that an interface defines a contract for implementing classes, and that contract is inherited by all subclasses. This means that you cannot unimplement a marker. In the example given, if you create a subclass that you do not want to serialize, you must resort to explicitly throwing not serializable exception. Another solution is for the language to support metadata directly. Both the .NET framework and Java provide support for such metadata. In .NET, they are called custom attributes, in Java they are called annotations. Despite the different name, they are conceptually the same thing. They can be defined on classes, member variables, methods, and method parameters and may be accessed using reflection. In Python, the term marker interface is common in Zope and Plone. Interfaces are declared as metadata and subclasses can use implements only to declare they do not implement everything from their superclasses. See also, design markers for an expansion of this pattern. Joshua Block, Effective Java, Item 37, use marker interfaces to define types, page 179. References